Hello friends and welcome back. Today we're going to be making these pretty spring bulb arrangements. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is remove the soil away from the bulbs. Now you have to do this quite gently because you don't want to disturb the roots too much. So I'm going to go ahead and separate all the little bulbs away from each other and remove as much dirt as possible. Give a little shake to remove the dirt. And once you've done that, you want to rinse the roots off from any additional dirt it might have. And I am going to line the bottom of my glass bowl with some pretty rocks. And then I'm going to place the bulbs inside and just stick them in there and arrange them however you think looks nice. And then take some additional rocks and just place them around the bulbs just to keep them nice and upright. Once you've done that, we're going to pour some water gently over the bulbs. And that's all it takes. I'm going to make another one. You can do this on any glass container that you have. I even used a drinking glass, as you can see. So that's it. I hope you enjoy this super quick and pretty arrangement. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.